I just wanted to tell you about our Leathercraft event in July. We're really excited to kind of be able to release all the program details now. And we have the amazing Nigel Armitage. I mean, if you don't know who he is, you need to get kind of typing in. Um, if you're anything to do with Leathercraft, he's kind of a bit of a hero. He's done really cool tutorials, patterns, books, all sorts of things. General all-round great guy. He's going to be joining us for the Saturday and the Sunday of the event, which is all of it pretty much. So that will be really something to look forward to. We've also got Chris Clayton, who is a historical reenactor who just makes the most fabulous leather armour, and he'll be on hand to talk about that on the Saturday around midday. So definitely make a note of that one. And on top of that, we've also got myself and Peter giving talks, and we've got some really good demonstrations and taster sessions for you this year as well. So this time round, Xing, who's demonstrated at the previous events, he's going to do a bit more of a masterclass for a small group. So on sharpening your leathercraft knives and tools, or just knives in general. So if you're really interested in that one, there's quite limited places. So do go on the website, click workshops. It's under the resources tab, or you can click through on from the events page on the Leathercraft event itself. We've also got Graham Richards, who's going to be doing a Portuguese tile inspired carving. So really a little bit of a different take on carving and getting a bit of a different effect, looking at kind of ways to work with the geometrics, and you'll get to have a little go at that. If you've not done carving before, don't worry, this is a good starting point as well. But if you have done some carving, it's also a fun thing to have a try at something a bit different. And we've got Paul Trevena, who's going to be doing a little bit more of an introductory look at press studs particularly, and making a couple of pouches, but just to look at that kind of technique of setting those, because I know that's probably one of the most asked questions we get. So a little look at fastenings with him. And we also have Bob Neal, who's just really experienced pyrographer, an artist, and you'll get a chance to have a go with him at how to just get those kind of real finesse details with your pyrography. And again, don't need any previous experience if you want to have a go, but also good if you've been done a bit before and you just want to really kind of get your skills honed. So that's with Bob Neal again on the Saturday. I think it was the Saturday. And then we have myself. I'll be doing 2 classes on botanical printing. I'll leave it up to you to try and figure out what that is. But basically, a kind of bit more of an organic, natural look at creating pattern and surface decoration using a very special white leather that takes the print really well. So again, space is limited for all of these, so do get ahead and get in and get those booked. The event is just going to be great. It's at the new venue for us of the Whitworth Centre. Really beautiful historic building, just a couple of miles up the road from our stockroom and our building. So it's more towards the north, towards Bakewell, and it's beautiful building, absolutely beautiful, and it's set in a park with park facilities with great open spaces. There's a cafe, there's a bar and restaurant next door with a bit of a hotel. I think they may be full that weekend from feedback I've been getting already. But lots of places to stay. Come to the Peak District, make a whole weekend of it. And we'll also, of course, have our best ever amazing leather selection. We are getting in some stuff that we've been sourcing. We are going to have some really fantastic leathers there. So lots and lots of reasons not to miss the 26th, 27th of July. We hope to see you there.